Hausa Fulani herdsmen. They say these people don't take over one school for Imo State too. My people, it don't read though. The students come provoke, come outside, come they tell the public government, say make they see wetin dey happen. No, say that the Fulani and their cows have taken over their school for inside Imo State. And they could imagine say this student, this small student where you do where they practice agriculture, the farm where they do. This cow don't go chop everything, can't take over the classroom. Whether that one begin to learn, me I don't know what is going on in Igbo land. Hope Uzodinma, why do you decided to bring your generation from Funanis to Imo State? Why? Why do you decide to bring your generation from Imo State to disturb us? This is not our culture. In their land, they can carry cow everywhere they like. But in Biafra land, we don't need cow in our street. Rear your cow wherever you can rear it. Bring it that we can buy. Anybody who wish to eat cow. So I'm going to play the video for you to watch when you see what they go on. My people, they say that any child now within the 7 years, they put them for prison concerning waiting happen between the Hausa Fulani children. Where they carry come Abuja, can't say they carry Russia flag. The policeman not come outside, can't tell us say from 7 years they will go prison. Our own children not do anything. Now only may Fulani come off for their school so that they go free school. So I they bring this video to warn you. I beg, but I no look up for our own children. We no go take them lately with you now. As it be like this now, they say that the federal government 5 million Nigerians don't receive money for their account. If you don't receive your own money, may you let us know whether you don't receive your own money. I be this one now audio money. My people, don't forget say you see there for Balabas G's. Now I'm going to play the video. May you watch of how these children waiting they talk, how Fulani they carry their cow, enter inside their school, come pursue them, destroy everything where they for inside their school. Watch the video before we come back and proceed.
Keep quiet. Almost school and there one no. How are you people today? Uno wurike gwa mi ihe unu je tige na unu agaghị ekwe ogini mere ofu onye nwere ike ikwuru m okwu. Yes. Aya, oloye na-ekwunu. Ngwa pụta.
Ndị nna m erichala akpa anyị. Ha chọrọ ịchụpụ anyị na school na ha rezi school. Ha chọrọ ịchụpụ anyị. Ana eme. Na whole school nna m ewere school anyị mereze ụlọ ha. Ndị nna m achụpụla anyị na school. Were akpa anyị richa akpụ ndị teachers, akpụ ndị head. Ndị nna m erichala akpa anyị o.
Okay.
Chụpụ anyị na class.
So nama na busy ebi na school na kwa ya?
Ebi na school anyị.
Okay, and ngonu na aga akwụkwọ na manyuka sichala ya shi. Okay. Nsogbu anọghị. Ihe awụ community school Ogiri akwa ya? Kenu n'isi ala Mbano. Ụmụ school anyị unu gbalịrị. Nsogbu anọghị. Ozi unu ga-eru ma gọọmenti ma isi ala Mbano ma community unu nọ na ya. I ga make sure na ozi a ruru biko amaghị m onye nkuzi nwere ihe ọ ga-agwatu anyị ka anyị matakwa so that ka ha na-aghọtakwa na ihe awụ ihe ụmụaka.
Awụ onye isi school.
Okay.
Isi ụlọ akwụkwọ.
Okay, sir.
Pastor Bernard Ahot.
Okay.
N'eziokwu ihe anyị gara na school ugbu a karịsịala.
Okay.
Anyị amaghịzi ma ọ nwe school ma ọ lama nwe si school.
Oh.
Ụtụtụ mgbe anyị ga-anọ na school na-aga akwụkwọ. Nlama na-agba, ụmụ school na-agba. Ndị nkụzi na-agba ọsọ because ha dị ọtụtụ.
So bad.
And ndị gọọmenti ma n'eziokwu na onwe onye ọbụla school ọbụla enyegara running cost. Ozi from our pocket ka anyị ji arụ ọrụ ga ihe banye school ma chalk everything. But yet anyị kọkwa akpa akọcha ndị na-ama ga-erie ya. I spent not less than 6 bags of fertilizers. I do not want to school. Then here you can buy feeling oh yeah. When I black was here, the last one recently, all of them engulfed. We don't know what to do. I am a senior member of school. The other time, maybe them the Fulania Iberanala. Sipiko, Unabemuna, would men and I better. And the wars we have met a Haganu Leluan on Gagabri. Where I am Milibana and Shield. So we don't know what to do. I just Gagawa. Ndobodo. Makaiga Bapro, Makoraga, one Elanya. Hybrid at school, or run out by Chile school. Then I went to Kizian, I don't know my account. And cause on them when they with the line, Uba. Because of him, we can highlight the Bahash, Sangab. So, Guinea can get me. I say, American do with the man.
Thank you. Okay. Because Amama Oziana, Orule Ezo Buddha.
On a case, a Kaishana, a bank I was so bar.
Unubuzogan and Case.
I promise when I say, Naga, my get me.
Okay. So, Banoge, Ninkuzona Baliala. At least, information here, Megan at school. And all the too bad. Na Amahame Zenama. Na Maring Gemero Omakururu. Aho. America Haba also Vega na bottle. Also Bajoko. So all the bad. The government must surely take care of this. Go no na with the best thing. Otane shall handle such a situation. There one. Almost school. Unga jishukweni kamatawa kwa ni hena. Ono hona ma balaga no na chokola yo. And there one.
My wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video, you don't see them as the children, don't they talk with their teacher say, may Funani stop coming inside their school. I don't know what Funani are looking for school, where children are going to school. Did they want this their cow to wound the children? I don't even understand the country we are. It don't read though. It says put a video look to Lumbu because the thing where they do, you know good again. No. My people, let me bring you this video for you to watch. They say money don't enter on account to before we come back and proceed.
That in terms of the direct benefit and direct help to the general public, of course there was wage award at first, now there's the new minimum wage. There is direct transfers to the people on the social register that has been put together by all levels of government and is being verified. And so people are paid after they are being uniquely identified biometrically, and they are paid digitally through a bank account or mobile wallet. And those payments have been rolled out. We have reached 5 million households, 25 million Nigerians, and first and second payments are being made. And that process of having a robust social register where you can reach people directly and help them with payments that allow them to now choose what their priority is and go and then deal with that priority is something that will be ongoing. A society always needs to help its poorest and its most vulnerable, no matter, because relatively you're always going to have people who need help.
My people, in Adosia, if you don't receive your own money, may you let me know. Me, I don't see any money. However, I know be Nigerian, so even though they credit, maybe they credit to Musa, Alabiu, they feel credit Ogbomowa, they feel credit you know na. But when they come for Chijoki, Chukwemeka, Chinedu, those people don't be Nigeria, they feel no receive. So if you don't receive, may you let us know say you receive. However, let us watch what this policeman talk. He get what small thing we want talk for this matter.
Those that are not criminally liable under the law, those are the people that are young ones below the age of 7. Once you are more than 7, you can be charged to court. The only thing is that you need to follow certain procedures to do that. But none of them is less than 7. I think the youngest should be 13. The fact that you are a 13-year-old doesn't mean you cannot be charged to court. So anybody, even the Children and Young Persons Act, they can still charge you to court because you are 13-year-old. You can go to court. So we have charged them to court for this. On behalf of the federal government of Nigeria, the police has taken the bull by the horn because these are those who actually are leveraged on the end bad governance protest. They hijacked the protest and they are so violent. the people that are flying the Russian flags and many foreign flags, which of course is a punishable offense. So they are criminally liable. We have not charged any underage in our own context here to court. For those who have been following trends of engagement with social media influencers and content creators, we have been engaging them for a very long time. And even this department has made more than 3 or 4 statements concerning that, to condemn unlawful, unauthorized use of police uniform or accoutrement. Not only the police. You can't use any law enforcement uniform, the military, the police, can't use their uniform to act.
My wonderful people, this country self, the country don't jaguda. You don't hear when person say country don't jaguda. This country don't jaguda. Nanja don't jaguda. Everywhere you see Turumbutan and say Nanja don't jaguda. My people, let me tell you something. In Western world, in a sad country, in Europe, in America, you can wear a police uniform. You can wear a military uniform. Even go and shake military. Even pass in their front. Even take a selfie with them. You can wear the uniform and do whatever you want to do. Nigeria, you people should stop this 1980 backward brain in your head, especially all those ones in the police, in the army. You people should stop this nonsense. Do you want me to be doing videos of people that are wearing police uniform and the military uniform? Do you want me to take in the pictures and be sending for you people to see them? So you claim that you people are imitating America, but you don't imitate the full thing that is going on there. I bet Mona share the video as you don't read.